2016 Renault Trucks UK Master L3 diesel front-wheel drive 135.35 dCi comfort chassis cab, 2.3 dCi, EU5, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive, LUTON box curtain cider, white, genuine 299k miles, excellent runner, starts and drives fine, no engine lights on dash just for ABS ESP, need rear left ABS sensor replacing, crunches first and second gears, gearbox will need repairing or replacing. Drives good, has power, no smoke, aircon, electric windows, cruise control, 3 keys, 1 former keepers, MOT until the 25th of November 2022. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call